Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and last week I showed you how the print surface in the Duramic 3D print filament made my Replicator Plus way more awesome as I printed a super long project. So my friends, it's time to show you why we did all that, so let's get cracking. Alright friends, so this is the Modtech marble run. I've got a cardboard base that this stays in. Do not lift it out. Do not lift the yellow thing. Just rotate it with the yellow arrow. If the BBs come out, they will stay in here and you can just drop them back in. Hold the bottom and rotate the yellow. And then you get the magical experience of the auger pulling up the BBs and doing the marble run. Now this is supposed to use 1/4 inch steel bearings, but I don't have any steel bearings. If any of you out there have steel bearings you're willing to donate, I would be happy to put those to use in this sweet little marble run. And I hope you guys have fun experiencing it. Alrighty friends, so I will put a link to this print in the description. It was on Thingiverse. It was not created by me, it was just printed using the Replicator Plus and that sweet new print bed from Duramic 3D. Alrighty friends, so when you end class every day, you're always welcome to give that a try and spin it. Just make sure if the BBs pop out, you put them back in. I made the little cardboard space so at least they would stay close. They used to roll all over the room and that's why I had to put the marble run away. Friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.